Alright, we're gonna prank call McDonald's. Alright, here we go.
Hi, this is McDonald's. Nicole speaking.
Can I talk to the manager?
Yep, hold on a moment. Hello, Jerry speaking.
Hello, I was there earlier and I, got, a drink and it was the wrong drink. They gave me the wrong drink and they also gave me I asked for a 6-piece chicken nugget meal and they only gave me 4 chicken nuggets.
Okay, when did you come through?
I came through about like, 8.
8 o'clock?
No, I'm sorry, 9:30.
Okay, today?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, unfortunately, we don't serve any lunch like nuggets or anything until 10:30 in the morning, so I think you have us confused with a different restaurant.
Alright, I'm sorry, but, thank you.
Alright.
Oh.